this is Noelle and welcome to this week's Bob Report. In our children's, teen, and adult program, we're going to be reviewing for our belt test next week. Make sure you bring your long staff for weapons, as that will be the testing weapon. If your child has been notified that they're ready for testing, make sure that you filled out the form and paid on My Studio. In our Little Heroes 3 to 4 program, we're going to be working on rolling and hopping. In our 5 to 6 program, we're going to be working on fitness and coordination. Saturday is our holiday event, so from 1 to 5. At 12:30, we're going to be closed for classes, so there will be no 12:30 class on Saturday. Make sure you get an envelope this week if you haven't already gotten one, and bring it to the event. The event is by sign up only. We only have 60 spaces and over 30 have been taken, so please make sure you sign up quickly. Thank you and have a great week. We'll see you on the mat.